Hi, welcome to Skydive Elsinore. How's it going?
I'm doing great.
All right. Have you ever jumped before?
I've never jumped before.
What's your name?
Elias Schiff.
All right. And who's this guy?
That's my brother Jacob right there.
Hey, Jacob. How's it going?
Pretty good?
Have you ever jumped?
No, I haven't.
All right.
Excited.
What's the occasion?
I just turned 18 and I wanted to do something crazy, and
All right, cool.
This is one of it.
Susie over there did her first jump when she was 18. I did too.
Can't wait.
All right. Well, is there anything you want to say to the camera before we head up?
If anything happens, I love everyone, and I can't wait.
All right. I'll see you in the air. Have fun.
Thank you.
Bye.
Arms and hands, hold on tight, don't grab hold of the bar, hold on there. And I'm gonna say, okay, ready, set, go, step out and arch. Come to the arch, all the way back. You got it, see, step forward a little bit. Tap on the shoulders, arms out. David will be out in front of us, you can wave. And that's all there is to it. Make sense?
That's great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just to run through here real quick.
You live.
Oh my God.
How was that?
That was the craziest thing I've ever done in my life. That free fall was just ridiculous.
All right.
Oh my God.
Congratulations.
I do this all the time.
Would you come out and do it again?
Hell yeah.
All right. Your brother over there survived as well. Carl brought him back. Kristen brought you back safe and sound. Thanks for jumping in Elsinore.
Thank you.
Good job, man. You did. Well done, bro.
That was ridiculous.
Stuff's good.